Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Limited, stock number E2315X. 29,000 miles on this local trade, clean auto check history report, brilliant black in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, give you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper, and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van, seat 7, leather interior. Stow and go seating allows the second and third row to fall flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Fixed skylight over the third row. Middle row seats are also heated. Windows do go down in the sliding doors along with power venting rear quarter windows. Pacifica is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera, rear parking sensors, and blind spot monitoring. Power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row, lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Power folding stow and go. Fold flat with the push of a button. We'll also return to the upright position. You can, of course, fold them in any combination, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Power sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, put you in a perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof, large, easy to read gauges, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air, along with heated seats, heated steering wheel, as well as ventilated seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming, and that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 9-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shift. Hard keys for the things used most often. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, power liftgate, and sunshade control. Liftgate, sliding door controls, and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Pacifica has a 3.6-liter V6, 287 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon, and the city average of 28 on the highway. And approximately 75% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.